How to set up Android Internet settings. This tutorial shows you how to configure mobile data and Wi-Fi connectivity on your Samsung device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Tap on Connections at the top of the Settings menu. Now, tap on Mobile Networks to access data settings. Toggle on Mobile Data at the top to enable cellular internet. Your mobile data is now active. Moving forward, if you need to configure APN settings, tap on Access Point Names. Tap the plus icon to add a new APN. Enter your carrier's APN details like name, APN, proxy, and port. Get these details from your mobile carrier's website or customer service. Tap Save once you've entered all required information. Select the new APN by tapping the radio button next to it. Afterwards, go back to Connections and tap on Wi-Fi. Toggle on Wi-Fi at the top to enable wireless connectivity. Your device will scan for available networks. Tap on your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once connected, you'll see a Wi-Fi icon in your status bar. Test your internet by opening Chrome or any browser. If you have connection issues, restart your device and try again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you set up Android Internet settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.